Okay, we're going to do one of the first geometry questions. I just thought I would do some geometry now too. And let's try this question 7.2. You've got the words in front of you. They're kind of little here. It says in the sketch, you should always read this thing. 0 is the center of the circle, which passes through L and M and K and F. The circle, all those points are on the outside of the circle. And there's a diameter KL. That's very important, that diameter KL, to answering the question. It's produced to this P out here. ON is parallel to LM. I put little red marks in here just to show that that's what that was given. Sometimes they give it to you in the picture. And I think that's kind of enough to get started, just that F is 76 degrees. And they say that ON and KM intersect at G, so these two lines cross here at G. Okay, let's just get started here. The first question, it says, with reasons, you're supposed to find 5 different things. The first thing is L1. Well, you know that F here is 76 degrees, and it opens up to this chord KM. Now, it takes a while before you get used to seeing all these things, because L1, it subtends. It ends up in the same place, the same segment of the circle as KM. So you can say if F is 56 degrees, L1 is 76 degrees, and the reason is angles in the same segment. And there you go. Now let's look at O1. How do we know that's 76? You know, you do know it's 76. When I first looked at it, I thought, oh, there's an angle of the circumference, and this is an angle at the center, and that's kind of what I saw. But hey, they don't open up. They have to go to the same place. This one goes way over here, and so that's just not true. But we know that L1 is 76 degrees. We know that these two lines are parallel. Oh, those are corresponding angles. So O1 is 76 degrees because of corresponding angles. And you have to say that ON is parallel to LM. You've got to give that. I think we'll just do one more here. There's a lot of ideas in this thing here. They say the next one is determine angle M4. Determine angle M4. Okay, so where's M4? It's right here. Now this angle here, M4, it opens up. It's an angle at the circumference that opens up to the chord KN. But the angle at the center, which is 76, opens up to exactly the same chord. Well, the angle at the circumference is 1/2 the angle at the center. So you've got to take 76 and divide it by 2. M4 has got to be 38 degrees. And the reason is the angle at the center is 2 times the angle at the circumference. I think that's enough for like one video here. You got to keep puzzling and see all these things, and then we'll finish the rest of 7.2 in a second video.